Mazda announced today that CarPlay and Android Auto are now available as part of a dealer-installed update on certain 2014 models and newer Mazda vehicles equipped with the Mazda Connect infotainment system in the United States. The installed update has a suggested price of $199 plus the cost of labor and includes hardware and software components. The eligible vehicles will be equipped with a faster 2.1 amp USB charging port, plus the latest version of Mazda Connect with CarPlay and the automatic integration of Android. CarPlay Android Auto will also be pre-installed in 2018 Mazda 6 vehicles manufactured in November 2018 or later, excluding the Sport model, in the United States. Those who bought a Mazda 6 2018 at the beginning of the year can opt for the upgrade option installed by the dealership with a rate of $199 exempt. CarPlay and Android Auto are also pre-installed in the Mazda CX-9 2019 and the Mazda CX-5 2019 in the United States. CarPlay is Apple's automotive software that allows iPhone users to access a variety of applications from the dashboard of a vehicle, such as Messages, Apple Maps, Apple Music, Podcasts, Overcast, Spotify, SiriusXM Radio, Pandora, WhatsApp, Downcast, Slacker Radio, Stitcher, and from the 12th, Google Maps and Waze.